The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offense is intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
So I'm finally see, I'm reach for you though.
But I'm a reach now.
Reach.
Hey.
And people listen.
Yeah.
By the way, it's the IT Fancy Cat Show live.
I tell you.
And we finally reached with our garden house.
Yes, we are coming to you live from Garden House.
Yes, and we're outside Garden House for this meeting of the parliamentarians. And as you can see, they're in the backdrop and they're getting ready for this morning's sitting.
That's right.
It's a very exciting time for one party and more exciting for the other party.
So we are going to go mess around. Follow Black Harry.
We go there right now. It's IT from the IT and Fancy Cat Show. It's
so come to tell us something like the time. How you doing?
You have to make sure the English is spot on. This is Ronald G. Thwaites. It was our 10th year and we came here because we wanted your endorsement.
A brother from another man.
Well, on a phone for sure, you know.
It's Parliament and we're here with Honourable Minister that this is Cuthbert.
I'm not an honourable minister.
But me can call it anything because the IT and Fancy Cat Show. So
yes.
I speak it out there. I want to change the colour here. I want to know if it must go orange or green. What should I tell you?
If you mix it together, you get a better color.
We have a question to ask you. Why the parliamentarians always beat the desk and they don't clap?
I don't know.
It's louder.
It's louder. Okay. But I even
It's a
wonder.
tradition.
Okay.
Not that it would make less noise.
I prefer to clap. If you notice, I really do that because the pounding the desk is a tradition I don't understand.
Why the Speaker of the House hardly speak?
That's a very good question.
Maybe he's speechless.
He's there to preside over those who love to chat.
Oh, yeah. The IT and Fancy Cat Show is our 10th anniversary. So we're outside Parliament trying to find out if there's anybody who wants to audition for the IT and Fancy Cat Show. Me!
No, sir.
Sure. Give it right now, go ahead.
Sing a song.
Sing?
No,
Yeah,
just
something,
say
whatever-
I love you.
whatever your talent is.
With passion.
I have no talent.
You can sing a
except for
poem?
running.
What do you audition for the IT and Fancy Cat Show?
If I'm invited.
What do you do? I mean, sing, dance, what?
I look like an actor, do I?
Yes, you sound like an actor. can you sing the song? Carry me aki go a Linstead market, not a quatty, don't sell. But say it in English though.
Carry me actually go to Linstead Market and not a quarter would sell.
Thank you very much.
I can go
In English.
market, not a what it would sell.
Let me tell you, that's one thing I hope in my next life I will be able to sing, so I better not try now.
Carry me aki go a Linstead market, not a quatty, no sell. In English.
I would say if you have any information to help the police, call the police.
We've been trying to get people to say, carry me aki go a Linstead market, not a quatty, don't sell. In English, and it's been a problem. Help us.
Transport. My ground provision or my
I like that.
Linstead Market. And not even a penny, half penny would sell. I'm destitute.
You specialize in turning people in our public.
No. Oh, Minister Anna. I can't believe you pass us like that.
Let me just say congratulations for 10 years bringing humor into the different households and into Jamaica as well as into the diaspora.
Most of Jamaica look forward to the skits and just, you know, it's good to laugh. It ease the pressure and the stress, and what you guys doing is really giving us the opportunity to just forget about our problems and smile a while.
You are the purveyors and the disseminators of that gift of humor. So believe me, you deserve full commendation for 10 years.
Anyway, I think you guys are doing a good job. You give me a few laughs.
Great guys, doing a fantastic job.
And we're looking for another 10 years from them. Provided
You sponsor us.
provided
You sponsor us.
provided
You sponsor us.
that they feature me 2 more times.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy can.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy can.